Are you in need of money to pay rent or settle some bills? Or an emergency arose and you are kind of broke and in need of a loan? Do not panic, the best loan apps in the USA get you covered. We sometimes find ourselves in unpleasant situations where we are in desperate need of funds. But the arrival of the next paycheck seems so far. This is why these best loan apps come in. In one of our previous articles, we covered the best loan apps in Nigeria to borrow money easily without stress or many paperworks, and this is why we come up with this piece of article about loan apps in the USA. They help save us from embarrassment. With any of these best loan apps installed on your mobile, you can request loans up to $100. And few tend to offer more. All that is required if you in getting the loan is to agree to all of their terms and conditions, and you are good to get the required amount you so desire. Also, the interest rates are not that high. In addition, the apps are easy to use. You can request a loan within minutes. Let's check these best loan apps in the USA. Best loan apps in USA to borrow money 2023. Number 1. Earnin. Earnin is one of the best loan apps in the USA, and it gives freedom to those who live on paycheck to receive loans. Workers with bank accounts can obtain loans from this app with ease. All you have to do is to install the app and register with it. It will ask for your bank details to verify the details you submitted, and when you receive your monthly payments. The app keeps track of how much you are paid on an hourly basis. By using your phone GPS, you can also upload your timesheet to the app so it can get accurate information on the hours you work daily. You can withdraw money from the app based on the hours you've worked for months before you get paid. When your monthly pay arrives, Earnin automatically debits the amount you borrowed. One good thing about the app is the absence of fees. For a start, you can borrow up to $100. But as you continue to use the app, the amount you get to borrow rises. Number 2. Bridgette. Another loan app in the USA that allows you to get a loan before your next paycheck is Bridgette. The app helps you manage your budget and grants you a loan before your next payday. To get a loan on Bridgette, you will have to submit an active checking account. And the checking account must be active and have a history of about 60 days. Mind you, your checking account must have a reasonable balance and at least 3 direct deposits from your employer. When you are done setting up your account, you can request funds up to $250 based on your income. Bridgette has other features like short-term loan transfer when it notices you're running low. In addition to its features, it helps suggest a side hustle to help boost your income. Although Bridgette Basic membership is free, but to enjoy premium features like advanced loan request at any time, you'd have to upgrade, which costs $9.99. Number 3. Dave. Dave, a very simple and powerful app that helps with funds before the next payday. The app tries to keep its members away from bank overdrafts by providing them with cash in advance. The Dave app also helps users with financial tips. It helps keep track of how you spend your money monthly. When you borrow from it, the app will automatically debit you when your paycheck drops. The app has other features like suggesting side hustles that will help you increase your income and prevent you from borrowing. To get other features of the app, you have to install it. However, it's not entirely free. The app charges users monthly, but nevertheless, it is one of the best loan apps in the USA. Number 4. Moneyline. This is another loan app in the USA that gives you an advance fund before your payday is Moneyline. The app helps you get small loans within the months. With the Moneyline account, you get to enjoy the app's Inst Cash, where you get to request a loan at any time. You can request loans of up to $250 or more depending on your eligibility. And there is no interest or fee attached. Also with Moneyline, you don't have to pay a monthly fee like the others. However, you will be charged for an instant cash transfer fee. But this fee can be avoided if you can wait patiently for the fund to arrive in a few days. The Moneyline app has other amazing features you can try. Number 5. Chime app. The Chime app is an app that helps you receive your paycheck 2 days before the payday. It is associated with the Chime spending service. One good feature of the app is that it helps you keep track of all the transactions you carry out. In case of an unauthorized transaction, you can quickly disable your card with a touch. It is that simple. You can request a loan of up to $100 on the Chime app and will be automatically debited when you are been paid. One good part of this app is it's free. You will also enjoy a lot of other features on this app. Conclusion: bothering yourself on where to get cash before your next payday has been settled. All you have to do is install any of these best apps to loan money and get the full advantages they offer. In case of any emergency, no more problem with just your phone and a healthy internet connection. You can get that amount you need before your paycheck arrives. If you find this post informative, share it with other people on social media. And leave a comment in the comment box before if you think I left out an app.